Hey, this is Jordan.
I'm Katie.
And here we are with the 75th anniversary Dairy Queen Blizzard. Upside down or free.
Don't do that. I don't trust you.
Do that. Okay, now.
So, this isn't on the menu.
Yeah, it's an off menu item.
I didn't know how you
Oh my god, so good!
Bring on, man. That's good.
Blizzardy bang, we got a blizzard.
We're a club.
Watch out for your teeth. It's Reese's peanut butter cup pie. Sans cream whip.
Thanks, Dave. You're real.
Yeah, sex kitten. We met the manager of Dairy Queen. He was like, you know what, kids? You got the stuff. So I'm going to give you my stuff. Reese's Dairy Queen Blizzard.
Yum.